Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I'm about to enjoy this apple, but I got a problem. Problem is my ceramic knife is dull. This happens about every 6 months or so. These babies stay sharp a long time and then that edge just goes away. This is a Kyocera. It's about the best ceramic knife you can buy. I really like them. There's other people out there using Cuisinart and all these other different brands of knives. Okay, they work, but they're cheaper quality, so you got to sharpen them a little more. When you lose your edge and you want to cut an apple, you got a problem. So I will try the first cut here. Takes some effort, but it did cut the apple. Also, you might notice there's a little bit of a zigzag pattern, kind of. It's not smooth. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to get this knife a lot sharper, and it only takes minimal effort. And here we go. It's a two-piece system, and it consists of a holder and a diamond file right there. Really cool. You can get it right there at the sponsor, and that's where I got this one. So anyway, you just put the knife on the rest and it gives you the correct angle. You hold the file right across your level and you go from the back to the front, just like that. Do this about 10 times on each side. Okay, turn it over. Repeat the process. By the way, I'm wearing cut-proof Kevlar gloves. I like these. These babies work good. There's a bunch of other cut gloves on the sponsor there too, but I suggest you focus on safety, and that's important. Safety is essential. Okay, it only takes about 8 or 10 strokes, just like this. Every couple of months is good. Okay, I think I'm done. So now I'm going to give this a rinse. Wipe it off. Move this out of the way. Try the apple one more time. Okay. Cuts much easier, much smoother. Minimal effort, and that's what I'm looking for, is the minimal effort. So the apple's looking good there, nice and clean. You got a little more, want to remove the core. You don't want to eat that core part. Anyway, I can now cut through this tough apple skin very easily since my knife is sharp. And that's what it's all about, is keeping your tools sharp and maintained. And you can see it's looking pretty good now. Couple of cuts real quick here like this. It's a bit harder with the gloves on. That's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching. And once again, if you need to get the sharpener, it's a two-piece set. Diamond. I really like it. Just visit your sponsor right there. Keep cooking and have a great day. It's very, very easy to use. Extra thick maple edge grain. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.